Does it have a set of eyes somewhere underneath the mouse to make you like question what you're looking at?
Maybe the cheese is a type of mouse.
Really wondering about that mouse.
I'll think about that mouse.
Did we reach the punch card incentive?
Oh yeah, that's an important question. Can I get confirmation about punch card incentive?
So we're checking with the control room.
I know we got to visit Napster. Huh?
We got them both.
All
Okay,
right.
incentives reached.
We've reached both, and we're going to talk to the control room about figuring out what mice
Excellent,
look like.
thank you guys so much, you are
So you
amazing.
guys want to get on that? Thank you.
And we are creeping right up on $80,000 raised for MSF, Doctors Without Borders. Thank you again to everybody in the chat. You guys are so amazing, and the generosity of Undertale fans. I learned a long time ago to not underestimate it.
Yeah, you guys are incredible. Yeah.
Here it is, 80K. Look at that.
Oh man.
Sufficient.
Wow.
Sufficient.
I'm gonna have to go to battle with Sans.
You gotta get that card of punch.
You stocking up?
One cards. Very nice. The little white guy that asks about stars and if you can eat a star, that guy is also a Kickstarter backer reward. I don't remember what the details of the concept was. I think it was supposed to be a guy that wants to eat everything. This guy ate my memories of the event.
I love the dramatic water sausages.
I'm quite proud of how the graphics of this area came out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks real good.
It was fun to make the particle effect. Though I'm pretty sure every particle is an individual object. The classic.
We're holding it 60 FPS here.
Yeah, 10 years ago.
Does anyone have any shoes for me?
Yeah,
Shoes?
I mean, I've got my. These are not ballet, so I don't know if these would be suitable.
Yeah. Control room, do we have shoes
I'm
for
going
the
to
dog?
get blisters.
You know, we do have.
They're forming.
We do have slippers in the
They're
Waterfall
forming.
warehouse nearby. So, yeah, if we get some slippers for your little footsies.
It's too late.
Sorry.
Turn
next
to
time.
stone.
Sorry, buddy. But hey, we still might hear about that mouse.
This is a place where he could save a pea.
P.
But P,
Casois.
It's French.
there's a certain something about it.
It was French the whole time.
It has been hotly debated.
Sounds so much less profane now, Rat.
Yeah, it's much much
Softened.
safer.
Oh, wait.
Okay, from the control room.
Yeah, if we can get a,
Yeah, get in tight on this.
yeah, get this mouse on the Chiron, please. All right. The control room is drawn a sketch of.
I guess a muscular horse that attacks you with sweat is pretty home-stuck. Sorry, looking at mouse.
Yes. It's we have reason to believe that a mouse like this is involved in save rooms across Undertale.
He
Yeah.
has Celia.
If you have any more information or shoes for a dog, please get in touch. Thank you.
Uses as Celia and flagellum to locomote.
We believe it uses its flagellum to locomote.
New mouse lore dropped. This character is actually two different monsters on top of each other. I don't know why I made a big deal of it.
I wasn't going to call attention to it.
No concert.